Howdy y'all, I'm revisiting one of the Xboxes I looked at in one of my previous videos. Yeah, this one was the one that had a bunch of bugs in it, and I cleaned it up because today I want to install a Modchip in it. Let's see here, this one is the ModXo adapter and uses an RP2040 Tiny. So it's got a little Raspberry Pi in there. I haven't really dealt with modded Xboxes before, so this one's gonna be my first. All right, let's start getting the stuff out of this again. First, we're gonna need to get access to this motherboard. Now this one is a revision 1.6 motherboard. So luckily I don't have to desolder anything right here. I could just plop it in there, but I think I'm gonna have to connect some traces here on the back. We have the version 3 install for a 1.6. So first I need to get these pin headers in. I'll go in like so. Just gotta put some tape down to hold it in. Let me just make sure that the chip itself can sit on there properly. Yep, cool. Okay, I really hope that's all the soldering I need to do because that took a while. Well, good news, I was able to get the Modchip to work. I had to do the one thing on this 1.6 motherboard where you have to ground one of the pins instead of doing like an L bridge swap or something. I can't remember the exact details, but I had to do the second version of the wiring instead of the first. But now that I can get this thing to boot in Prometheus, how about we go and look at a couple of hard drives? I would love to find a way for me to be able to make like a hot swappable drive bay thing for this. That'd be pretty sweet. Come on, Ethernet cable. Now, this also means I can't use the stock BIOS, but I'm not too worried about that because I got Cerbios on here. Alright, so this is one of the first ones. This was already on this Xbox. So it seems this Xbox was already modified a little bit. Let's see here, only application is XCAT, and I put that on there. No games, no emulators. And if I try to go to the MS dashboard, I doubt it's gonna let me in. So this one's not really showing much. Here, let me show what happens if I try to go to the dashboard. Oh, file does not exist. That's why I can't get in, I guess. This one should be the dashboard. Yeah, and it's really not letting me go into here for some reason. Oh well. Well, let's put it in a different hard drive. Well, that first one was a Western Digital drive, and this one seems to be a Seagate, so let's see what this one is. I'll need to unlock this hard drive since it's not the one intended for this original console. They're not even getting the boot animation. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'm wondering if this drive is starting to not be so functional anymore. This one here is not giving me that much to work with. I think I'm just gonna run XCAT on this and maybe move on to the next drive. Well, let's see if we get anything. Oh, we're getting some new files. Cool, I uploaded 77 new files. This is very much my own kind of like introduction into the Xbox modding scene, so everything you see here is just me kind of learning. There we go, much faster. All right. We can never escape the Tiger Woods. Halo 2, pretty decent. All right, let's go ahead and put that last drive in and see what we got. This one is also a Seagate. First, let's go and unlock that hard drive. Let's load up Cerbios. What do we have on here? Bicycle Casino, Black, Desert Storm, Crimson Skies, a lot of ESPN, San Andreas. Here we go. Here's some Halo. Hey, ooh, a lot of Halo 2. Madden 06, Madden 07, no Madden 08. A lot of sport games, jeez. Oh yeah, Battlefront and Republic Commando. Tiger Woods soundtracks. Oh, we got music on here? Clint's Jam. Uh-oh. Oh, we might have music on here. All right, Clint, what you got? First one's a U2 track. Got some Gwen Stefani, some Lindsay Lohan, Drop It Like It's Hot, Destiny's Child. It's always fun to find some music on there. Glad someone used that feature. Seems to definitely be a mix though. Interesting how I'm just going to the default dashboard. Okay, now I know why I was going to the wrong dashboard, because I had the folders wrong. Oh well, okay, Cerbios. You know, now that we got the Xbox mod and it's working, why don't we try putting in that Kingston SSD that didn't work in my PSBBN video? Dang it, looks like this thing actually needs to go over a little bit, so I need a different adapter. Again, I swear this SSD is a little cursed for me. Okay, power on time. Let's format this drive. Okay, let me go drop the files into the E partition. Excellent, those are all moved over, so why don't we just try launching it? Well, it didn't immediately boot, that's not a good sign. Oh wait, nope, there, it just needed a minute. Looks like it doesn't have all the sounds and stuff because it's not the stock BIOS. Let's see, let's put in a copy of Halo 1, see if we can rip that to it. Well, I don't want to go to the game. It keeps going to the game! Oh, there you go. Auto launch off. Cool. All right. Finally. Now copy DVD. Well, looks like copying over Halo worked. It's time to copy over a bunch of my other games. Well, I've gone and reassembled the Xbox, added a sticker too. And I've ripped almost my entire library to this thing. And I just picked up Morrowind, so might as well add that too right now. But since this video has been going on for a little bit of time, I think I'm just going to leave it here for now. I would love to make a video more about Homebrew that's on the original Xbox, so if you have any that you would recommend, let me know, because I would love to check it out. I might need to actually get a digital out instead of doing this analog version. That's going to be it for now, though. So long, y'all.